Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to design an e-cover. After my last rebranding video, a lady emailed me and said, could you show us how to design an actual e-cover? So I said, okay, despite the fact that my design skills are shit, I'm going to do my best today, okay? Now a couple of days ago, I received an email from Tiffany Lambert and she's giving away a free PLR article, or she says it's 3 pages, so it can be a short report. So I downloaded it and this is a report, okay? So I opened up the text file and copied all of this, just Ctrl A, and we're going to use ChatGPT to create a new title. I showed you how to do this in my previous video, so watch that, but I'll just run through it quickly here. Okay, so I said I have a report, I'm going to copy and paste it. ChatGPT told me to go ahead, so I pasted it and said I need you to come up with 7 engaging titles for this short report, 3-word titles. So it came up with this. I'm choosing fast track profits, okay? Then I scroll down, I say give me 7 benefit driven subheadings, engaging but concise. So it generates this. Then I remember I forgot to say something, so I said base the subheadings on the content in the report because it has to be congruent. So it comes up with these subheadings. So this is the title I'm choosing: Fast Track Profits, Discover the Quickest and Easiest Business Models to Earn From. So that's how I got this. No big deal. If you don't know how to do it, once again, go and watch my previous video. Now let's get started. Now the first thing we'll do is come to eCover Authority. This is where we're going to make the mock-up. And I'm going to be frank with you, this tool is a bit buggy, it's a bit glitchy, and it's a bit of a pain in the ass to work with. My wife doesn't like working with it, and some subscribers have emailed me and they said, oh Arun, I don't like this tool, it's a bit glitchy and buggy. And I get it, I understand, I agree with you, but here's the thing, it gets the job done. If we came to the actual eCover Authority website and we scroll down, saw that? That's my testimonial. I hardly give testimonials, but I gave it to this one and said this product has saved me hundreds of dollars. It has actually saved me thousands of dollars by now because this was back in the day. What a good looking guy. Don't I just like stand out among all these people? But never mind. So we come down, you see it says $47, one low payment. This is a one-time fee. So when a software is a one-time fee, there tend to be glitches because it's not maintained as much. Now if the guy, what's his name? Today I'm going to find out what is this fella's name. Chad L. Gizer. Okay, not as good looking as me, but still, if he were to charge you $47 a month, people are going to shit a brick and say, that's too expensive. Or if he says $27, they'll clutch their kidney and say, I can't pay $27 a month just for this tool. So it's a one-time fee. So if it's glitchy, you got to deal with it, okay? And I tell my wife the same thing. Get the job done, because I want you to understand something. We are here to make money. We are not here to make covers. You get it? Unless you're on Fiverr designing e-covers for other people. But if you're a business owner, you are here to make money. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. You see this cover here, 9 proven secrets. This is not a good cover. It's just normal. My wife designed it, okay, and it's not that attractive. I gave her this image, which is half the cover. I got it from Deposit Photos, and she added some words, and creatively she made this word red, which is the same red as this one. Okay, so this is the cover. It's not attractive. In fact, I'll even go so far as to say that the most attractive thing my wife has ever done is me. The things I say, look at that, what the hunk. I superimposed my face on Henry Cavill's video. Okay, now let me show you exactly what I mean. I took this image and I created this sales page, simple one, so that the image is here. Add to cart. This is no longer for sale, with this and some background. So now let me go to my Thrive Card account. 9 proven secrets to selling PLR. This is only sold for 36 hours. At $15, it has made $900 in revenue just from that one report. Okay, there's one refund because somebody bought the same thing twice. There's always that one person who has to buy it twice. I have no idea why. So this cover was good enough to make $900 because we are making money, not covers, understand? So I just use this, and I want you to do the same. Now let me tell you something. Don't be like some people who find a problem in every solution. If you give them a long article, they'll say it's too long, they want it shorter. Give them a short one, they'll say it's not long enough. Give them a listicle, they say they prefer content that's not a listicle. You get what I mean? Give them missionary, they'll say they want doggy. It just never ends with them, because they get a sense of importance, a self-importance, I don't know, accomplishment, or they feel smart when they find problems with existing content. That's why you see so many haters on social media and all that, because they're so busy trying to fool themselves into thinking that they're doing something worth a damn by finding fault. Now you can make excuses, or you can complain, or you can make money. And I choose to just make money. So I got eCover Authority. I don't care whether you all buy it. I really don't. I'm just showing you the tool that I use. And I use this to make 900 bucks. You don't even want to know what the rest I'm making, okay? And to prove my point, I'm going to show you something else. I know some of you are thinking, well, he's also a, popular PLR creator. I'm going to show you something. What's that guy's name? Alessandro Zamboni, I think. Is that it? No, it's not. I can never remember their names, but I know he uses the word empire in all of his shit. So I'm going to show you his covers, okay? These are some of the ugliest covers I've ever seen. You saw that? It is such an ugly cover. Freddy Krueger will have nightmares about this. And yet he's done 500 plus in sales. That's the other one. PDF Cash Empire. Another ugly cover. If anything, this guy is consistent. And he has made 250 plus in sales. Now I have nothing against Alessandro Zamboni, okay? Really, I don't. But I'm just showing you that even ugly covers like this. Let's try now. You notice there's a theme to it. I think he uses eCover Authority, if I'm not wrong. He has to be Fiction Empire. Empire. Okay, that's it. Look, saw that? Another ugly cover. He must have taken this from the Creative Commons or something. So my point is this. Use eCover Authority if you don't have it, and create a damn cover with it. And I discovered something. When you design the cover in this tool, it tends to be glitchy. But when you design it in Canva and just use eCover Authority as a mockup tool, it works much better. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean. Create mockups. I don't do this often, so I'm not too familiar with the tool. Okay, let me just choose this one, okay? I click on it, and most importantly, I need you to see this. Width 1200 by 1800. Or like the Americans say, 1200 by 1800. Because they always got to be different. Remember this, we'll come to Canva. This is Canva. Click on custom size, 1200 by 1800, and it'll give you a canvas, if I'm not wrong. Okay, you saw this? This is the canvas. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. Now I went to deposit photos and I downloaded this image. Okay, a simple image that I can use in my cover. Come here. I'm just going to give it a grey background. Just this. No, too dark. Lighter. I seriously suck at this. Now I need an idea for the design because my creative skills are shit. So we'll go to Amazon and we'll look at, I search for productivity books. Let's just look at the covers there for inspiration. We're not going to rip them off, I hope. Just for inspiration. Now these may look simple, but professional designers have designed them. You know, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Let me find a cover that looks good. This looks good, doesn't it? And it looks good because it's something that I think I can create, okay? So I'll go back to Canva, come here, and what is it? There's 2 lines, so I'm going to put 2 lines. How do I do that? I know you can put and type an L. So there's a line over there. Because I'm used to taking L's. For those of you old timers who don't know what that means, taking an L means you're taking a loss, you're a loser or something like that. See, I just made a mess. Let me make it thicker. Line weight 7. Why is this part smaller? Okay, extend it out. My wife is not here. If not, I could get her to do it. Okay, let me see this. So the line goes all the way. I will duplicate it. Pull this down here. Okay, and I can go slightly longer. And what's my title? Fast track profits. You can see, click on text, add a heading, caps lock it. Remember, all your titles, make them capital. Okay, we justify it like that. No, this. Why does it not work? Oh, you gotta maybe highlight the whole thing. See? So I'm learning with you, and that's what you're going to have to do, because I don't know. I'm that shit. Okay. You can reduce the spacing here, here, line spacing. Reduce it. So all this starting to look good. Choose a font that you like. I'm going to go with this. This looks good. Wow, Arun, you're impressing yourself. Okay, fast track profits. Put this over here. Close it up a bit. Does that look okay? Let's make this blue. I'm a Pablo Picasso going on here. Add an image. Come here. Uploads. Upload a file. Okay, I add it here. Well, shit. It has a white background, and you need a paid account to remove it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I know a lot of you don't have a paid Canva account. We'll go to this website, www.remove.bg, and I'll upload that image. Download it. Remove this shit. Move it to trash. That's where you belong. Upload the file. And we pull it here. Saw that, and now the image blends in with the background. You see there's a bit of thickness here. I have no idea how to fix this, and I'm just going to leave it like that because this is just a demonstration video. You are going to have to figure this out on your own, okay? I'll move this up a bit. Let me make the background a different color because I can't see it. This color. Okay, now I can see clearly. You can just use the arrow button to make small increments to the tool. Push this ugly line here. This is a subtitle. See, come back here. Power of discipline. Okay. Oh man, I forgot my name. Come back here. No problem. You can do this, Arun. You can copy and paste it. Discover the quicker, smaller. My name is more important than the cover. Okay, I love myself that much. I love myself so much, I call out my own name when I'm in bed, okay? This needs to be smaller. Now remember, I am not a professional designer, so my cover may look shit, but I'm just showing you roughly how to do it, okay? There's no way I'm going to go with this. Daniel Walter. So I'm going to symbols, elements, is that it? Yes. Shapes. Move this shape down here. Okay. Expand it out. The color, make it black. Type a text element, add a little bit of body text. No, what? Delete, okay? Now this, I put it over here, center it, make the words, okay? And for my name, Excellency Arun. You know what? No, I'm going to give myself a different name. Canva Arun. Okay? Why is this small? Perfect. Okay, the cover, background color, this. Or maybe I can go with a gradient. Ooh, looks cool. Not really. Looks shit. You know, I'm just playing around. Don't. Looks good, Looks good. Make this fella bigger. I mean, professional designers will be looking and thinking, what the hell is this Indian fella doing? I'm telling you what he's doing. He's making money, okay? So now, share, download it, click on download. Now we go back to eCover Authority and upload the image. Click on select image to upload and find your file. So this is my image. I click on it, okay? Drag this here, drag this down. So now this is done. You click on save and wait for this to show up. It takes some time for the random mockup. Then you click on it. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, I'll download it. And this is our cover. Does it not look good? Of course it does. And despite the fact that I'm a shitty designer, I still created something that looks passable. And if you use this on your opt-in page or you sold it as a report, people would buy it, because quite frankly, I think this looks better than Alessandro's covers. Which shows how atrocious his covers are, okay? And that wraps up this video, but I think in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with sales copy, and so that you can build a list with this report and the cover. Okay, and one last thing, you know what's coming. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I have a free PLR course that you can sign up for and learn how to use PLR and how to monetize it and all that. It's a fantastic course. The link is in the description. Go ahead and do it. There's a link to eCover Authority. Get it if you don't already have it. I didn't make this video to promote it, but if you want to create covers like this, you need to buy it. So you might as well buy through my link, okay? You're not paying more. Support this Indian guy with a bad accent. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.